My name is Haron Simiyu. I'm here because I was invited to be in this workshop. First, I'm here to interact, to realize my ideas, and my expectation is from this workshop, I'll have gotten a network that I've been lacking for a long time, and also maybe at the end of it all, I'll maybe be connected to the grant that maybe can facilitate my dreams to achieve my dreams. So far, my experience has been good because whatever I wanted to get, actually I got it because I got interaction, and I also learned of where I went wrong when I was doing my entrepreneurship. Actually, my expectation met because I was expecting to network, and I did it. And also, I got some insights that was quite helping to me. Literally, I think everything that I wanted to be covered was done perfectly. I don't think if there's anything, maybe I would expect it to be done more.